This is a very simple two balloon motorcycle. I'm using two 260s. Got one that's a turquoise with about 3.5 inches or so uninflated, and a black with about 4 or 5 inches uninflated. Start with your blue, or whatever color you choose. You're going to make a bubble. I make it just a little wider than my hand. This is your first handlebar, so about 4 inches. Then make a small round bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. And then you want a bubble about 3 inches. Another bubble about the same size. For me, that's about the width of my 4 fingers there. And then twist the end of the second bubble, that one we just made, into that pinch twist. That'll be the forks, and the front forks and one handlebar of your motorcycle. Then we do another bubble about the same size as that one, followed by another small round bubble, which again we'll make into a pinch twist. Then we need 4 more bubbles, all about 3 inches, same size. And then lock the end of the fourth bubble back into that second pinch twist. Then we need another bubble the same size as this one here. Feel like I made a diamond with those last 4 we made. That there, just like that. Lock it into this front pinch twist here. That becomes your second handlebar. You want to turn the pinch twist down. So that's the frame of your bike there. And you can always adjust the handlebars. I'm just going to tie that off. And that'll bring it to about the same length as the other and trim the excess off. Now we're going to take our black, and you're going to take the nozzle and twist it into the front pinch twist up here between the handlebars. And then we're going to take and just wrap it around the front forks here till it comes back into the pinch twist to make our front wheel. There's your front wheel. Now for this bubble, I'm going to run a bubble down along here at the top of the gas tank. And I'm going to squeeze it pretty soft. Make it a little smaller than the other two. That's a preference thing. You don't have to do that, but I just like the way it makes it look. Now we're going to take our diamond and our blue in here and twist them together in the middle to form 2 pairs of bubbles. And then lay your black along the first pair. Twist them around to lock that into place. And then we're going to take and make a small bubble here and make this bubble into a pinch twist. Just like that. Now we're going to make our back wheel. We're just going to wrap the black around the back forks. Just like we did for the front wheel. There's your back wheel. Now I'm going to take the black. This is optional, but it helps make the seat a little bigger. I'm going to run a small bubble, just drape it over the top of that, and squeeze a lot of the air out of it so it's pretty soft. And just lock it back into it like that. And then to give the seat a little more size, I'm going to make 1 more bubble alongside here. Just like that. And then the excess I'm going to pop off. Secure that end up in there nicely. Tuck it away. Shape our handlebars just a little bit. And there's our fairly quick and simple 2 balloon motorcycle.